Welcome guys, my name is Kenny Oribe and I'll be instructed to show you how to code with JavaScript. We'll be going over the basic rules and the tips, which help you little coders make your toy car go fly into outer space and make your chores get done as soon as possible to go have fun with your friends. To go off with the basic rules, you're going to have a function, which is going to start off your code. This is really important as it tells your code what it's going to do. Some examples are fill, function, and if, and this is going to paint a different color in your code. Next, we're going to have parentheses, which is additional information for your code. It's going to tell the size, the color, or where it's going to be placed. This is an example as it tells the size of the shape. Next is going to be a semicolon. This is really important as the end of the code is going to make it do what it has to do. Without it, it's going to appear as an error and not make it work. And this is an example as how it would be shown. Next is a dash. This is just for you, the coder, to see. This tells you what it's going to do, because this can help you organize it. An example is text. Whichever follows it won't be seen as the person who's going to be seeing the play, and it's only for you to see. Next is going to be this example, which is going to be the first. If it has two words, it's going to be first and second. The second letter is going to be capitalized because it can have a space in between, or else the code won't work. And this is also an example of a function. An extra little tip is using the function else, which can give you a choice to do this. If not, it will do something else. Next, we're going to go off to the tips. When you have a parentheses, make sure it ends somewhere else. If it's two, make sure you have two ending parentheses, or else it's going to appear as an error again. And always make sure to have a semicolon, because it's really common to forget a semicolon and can appear as an error to make your code not work. So make sure to always run and make sure you have a semicolon. And at the end, have a program or a friend to debug it. That way you can make your things come true. And have fun coding.
Here you can see the basics that we talked about, just as the function for these variables. Let is the function for this one to tell it what it's going to be. Let is going to tell you the eye width of the shape, which is going to be how big the eye is going to be. 50 is the number of pixels used to make the shape in the next image. The same follows for eye height, pupil width, and pupil height. Next, we're going to take a look at the background. The numbers there, like 173, tell you the color of the background. So different numbers make a different color. For the following image, you're going to see the color baby blue. Next, in the bottom, you can also see the function if mouse is pressed, which lets you know that when you tap on the screen, the pupils are gonna blink. So every time you click on the screen, it blinks, which is telling you the function what it's gonna do. And you can see the other things going on. So if you forget the semicolon, it's not gonna work. So always remember to go back. Have fun.